Hello and welcome back. Today, we are diving into the shadowy world of malware, specifically, a sneaky type called memory-resident malware. If you've ever wondered how some malware can hide in plain sight and wreak havoc without leaving a trace on your hard drive, stick around. This is going to get interesting. So, what exactly is memory-resident malware? In simple terms, it's a type of malicious software that lives in your computer's RAM, that's random access memory, instead of storing itself on your hard drive like most traditional malware. RAM is the short-term memory your computer uses to run programs and process tasks. When you shut down your device, anything in RAM usually disappears. And that's exactly what makes this malware so tricky. Unlike a virus that might save itself as a file you can spot and delete, memory-resident malware doesn't need a permanent home. It loads itself into memory when you start your system or open an infected program, and from there, it can do its dirty work, quietly and invisibly. Okay, let's break down how this stuff operates. Imagine you accidentally download a shady file, maybe an email attachment or a sketchy app. That file might look harmless, but it's carrying a payload. Once you run it, the malware injects itself into your system's memory. From there, it can do things like steal your data, spy on your keystrokes, or even open a backdoor for hackers, all without ever writing itself to your disk. But here's the kicker. Because it's not on your hard drive, your antivirus might not catch it right away. Traditional scans look for suspicious files, but this malware is just chilling in memory, avoiding detection until it's too late. Now, let's talk about some real-world examples to show you how serious this can get. One famous case is the Code Red Worm from way back in 2001. This memory-resident malware infected web servers and spread like wildfire, all while living in memory. It didn't need to save itself to disk, it just kept running and replicating. More recently, we've seen memory-resident malware like TrickBot. This nasty piece of work often hides in memory to steal banking info or drop ransomware. Cybercriminals love this technique because it's stealthy and hard to trace. In fact, some modern malware even uses legitimate system processes, like your web browser, to disguise itself in memory. Sneaky, right? So why should you care? Well, memory-resident malware is dangerous because it's fast, elusive, and doesn't leave breadcrumbs. If it steals your passwords or encrypts your files, you might not even know it's there until the damage is done. Plus, rebooting your computer might not always get rid of it. If the malware has a way to reload itself on startup, it's back in action. But don't panic, there are ways to fight back. First, keep your software updated. Many memory-resident malware strains exploit old vulnerabilities. Second, use a good antivirus with real-time memory scanning, not just file-based detection. And third, be cautious with what you click. Email links and random downloads are prime entry points. And there you have it, memory-resident malware in a nutshell. It's like a ghost in your machine, living in RAM and causing chaos without a permanent address. But with a little awareness and the right tools, you can keep these digital phantoms at bay. What do you think? Ever encountered something like this? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want more deep dives into the wild world of tech and cybersecurity. See you next time.